Hi everybody. So for this tutorial we're going to focus on getting a subset of our image that we have downloaded. So a subset being a smaller image that is contained within our larger image. So we will see an example of that as we proceed. In this instance I want to take an image, a subset of this image that is located in this region here, which is approximately located near Sally Gap in County Wicklow. So to do that, I'm going to click on the raster tool, click subset, and then we will highlight the area that we want using this polygon or bounding box, I should say. So it can be a little tricky to use. Okay, and once we have done that, you're using your right click to move the arrows up and down, to move the boundaries up and down, and left click is to do the same. Okay, so once we have that in place, we can go into the band subset. We want all the bands to come across, but if we only wanted particular bands, we could select B4, B3, B2, and so on. And if we only wanted certain parts of the of our metadata to come across, we can select that as well. But in this instance, we want all of the information to come across. So we're going to click OK to this, and we should see a smaller version of our image appear. So let's have a look at this one. So this is subset 2, 1 of 2A. Okay, and we want to have a look at it visually. So we're going to right click, choose RGB, and then click OK. And you can see that that image now is a subset of the other image, and that makes it easier to work with in terms of trying to identify and try to work with it and trying to do your particular analysis on it. So that's the focus of this. Now the next thing we want to do is save this. So we go File, Save Product As. Now we don't want to keep this really long name for the file because it's kind of unwieldy to use. So we can delete everything past that. So what that's telling us, this image was taken on the 1st of June 2020. The product type is here, and the satellite is the Sentinel-2A. Okay, and we can remove this part as well, I think. Just click Save. And it's writing all of the bands into the new file, so it just takes a moment. And there we are. Thank you.